Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you another plugin which is just an experimental plugin where we try to integrate Elevenlabs with sequencer in a very efficient way, and let's get going. So first of all, this plugin is available for free for all Mesh Morpher users, and you need to be subscribed to Elevenlabs to use this at full capacity, right? They have a free plan, but you also have to, if you want to use this more efficiently, you need to be subscribed to them. So let's get started. First of all, we want to add an AI track to our sequencer. And here we have two choices. Either we go to text to speech or text to effects. We can try both both options. Here we have the option to enter the API key. This you will have to get from your Elevenlabs dashboard. And also, if you use voices, you have to grab voices as well, right? So for text to effects, we don't need voices, but for other stuff, you need. So let's go here, dogs bark. We just click generate audio. And we got our dog bark. We also can add text to speech. Let's put here longer text so we can have a better understanding of what's going on. We need to pick a voice. Don't forget, if you add a new voice in your Elevenlabs dashboard, you need to click on grab voices here. And just pick a voice. Let's pick Dorothy. And let's generate audio. If you have the cursor placed somewhere else, the audio file will be created at that interval, right? So keep that in mind as well. Let's play this. Let's play this audio.
Once there was a dog who wandered the streets night and day in search of food. Once there was a dog.
It's pretty good, and we can also change the voice. You will be able to do this with any other audio file, not just with the Elevenlabs generated files. If you click on this plus, you can select your own audio sequence. And let's see. Let's go to speech, and let's select some other guy here.
Once there was a dog who wandered the streets night and day in search of food.
Pretty good, right? We can also do another thing. Let's expand a little bit this so we can. We also have this cool shortcut where if we right click on our audio file, if we generate animation, it will automatically generate our MetaHuman animation. And if we add our MetaHuman in the world, let's add the new animation.
Once there was a dog who wandered the streets night and day in search of food. One day, he found a big juicy bone, and he immediately grabbed it in his mouth and took it home. On his way home, he crossed a river and saw another dog with a bone in it.
Pretty cool, right? And the last thing we can also do, or we can also remove noise from our audio files, and we can also change audio speed, right? If we make this 1.5 and click apply, and we also select for our animation a speed of 1.5. Now everything will run much faster.
Once there was a dog who wandered the streets night and day in search of food. One day, he found a big juicy bone, and he immediately grabbed it in his mouth and took it home. On his way home, he crossed a river and saw another dog with a bone in its mouth. He wanted that bone for himself too. But as he opened his mouth, the bone he was biting fell into the river and sank. That night,
So I think this is it for this video. I hope you like this functionality. This is just something we are experimenting with. It's just an experiment. It's free for all Mesh Morpher users, but don't forget that if you want to use it intensively, you need an 11 Lab subscription. This is it, and see you around. Bye.